All right, so I bought these LED shop lights, and believe it or not, I got a 2-pack of them. I think you just plug them in, and they only cost me, I think, 19 bucks at Costco. It's a pretty good deal. So let's take a look at them, see what we got in the box. And of course, the box is a pain in the ass. And they must be inside here. Oh, here we go. All right, so that's good. Get rid of that. All right, so we got some chains. We've got the installation. And there's one of them. More chains. And basically you just plug it in, right? So what I think I'm going to do is plug it into this one here, right? And then run it out over here. I'll run the line right there and set it right there. I think that'll be nice. Extra light. And I'll put the other one a little bit farther down. Yeah. We'll have to see how long these cords are. So here's the cord. I think it's about 6 feet, to tell you the truth. Yeah, we just gotta... This is super light, by the way. Super light. So it looks like we've got about 5 feet of cord. So we can stretch that out about 5 feet. And these, you can plug them into each other. Check it out. So you could have a whole string of these bad boys on your roof. Yeah. All right, so that's it. We got 2 of these. And then if you want to hang it, from the ceiling, you can do it with these. Or you could screw it right into the ceiling. Just zoom, zoom, zoom. You know what I mean? That's what I did with these. You see that? I don't know if you can see it. 1, 2, 3. I think that's the best way.